Welcome to the digital age where earning money has become easier than ever before. In today's video, we will be discussing a fantastic opportunity for everyone who wants to earn money online with zero investment. That's right. We will be revealing a secret method of earning money by copy-paste, and the best part is that it doesn't require any investment. You can earn a decent income by creating and publishing blog online with the help of ChatGPT, and we will show you how to do it step by step. So, are you ready to learn how to earn by copy-pasting? Let's dive right in. This video is divided into 5 parts which you can see on screen, and I will suggest you to watch till end for better understanding. Step 1. ChatGPT is an AI software which can give you answer of your every question. It can do anything like writing blog, letter, resumes, etc. Anything it can do, you can use ChatGPT for your blog. Blogging is best way to earn money because now it's growing with 10x speed. A lot of people earning by blog. Now at your time, even I earn 200% by just copy-paste in my blog in 2 weeks. I read your comment there, a lot of people talking about investment in stock, but it's not easy. And also first you have to earn money before starting investment. So this is a very easy way to earn money digitally. Blog industry is now $1 million industry. Step 2. Just go to Play Store or App Store and download ChatGPT. Best part is, it doesn't require any information for login, and then go to Blogger website on Google and enroll yourself. Or you can also download Blogger app because I thought it much convenient than enrolling in website, and just choose your niche or topic like gaming, business, entertainment, etc. as per your interest. Let's take an example. I choose fashion and then go to ChatGPT and write a blog on Anarkali suit. This is very famous women wear in India. You can see in just 1 minute it will write blog for you now. Just copy it and paste it in your blog. And for making your blog more attractive, you can use picture, which you can get from Google or Amazon like shopping app. And you can add these pictures in your blog. Just it and your blog is read. Now you can publish it, but I want to clear you that here you can find a little task which is adding iframe. In your blog easily, just go on layer and click the button add gadgets here. Now you can add, and you have to do some code here, then you can make your AdSense and start earning money. I'm not giving you any tutorial, because there is a lot of tutorial video is available on YouTube and do not want to waste your time, so that's why I am just sharing steps to you. Even I will add my blog link also in description so you can see it and take a rough idea from it. Step 3. How to earn from it, because this is many topic of this video. So there is 5 ways to monetize your blog. Number 1. By Google AdSense. When you publish your blog on Blogger app, there is an option of adding AdSense so you can earn from it whenever anyone will watch your blog. Google will play ads on your blog and it will share you some amount. Note 2. By affiliate program you can share any product link in your blog. And if anyone purchase product from your link, you will get some amount. Note 3. Sell your own products. Don't worry, you don't need any website for doing this. Just make an Instagram business page and share that in your blog. Note 4. Do paid sponsorship. You can contact with brands through Instagram. Just write them email and tell them about your blog or niche. Then they can do partnership with you, and you can use ChatGPT for email. It can do this also. Step 4. How to market your blog or get traffic on it. Simply learn about SEO, give your time and learn it. And you can also share your blog on your other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, etc. It will definitely help you. Step 5. My own experience is, it take time. If today I am able to earn money 200% per week just because I did a lot of hard work of last 1.5 years. Earrings. Money online is easy, but time-taking. Don't lose your hope and do it as side hustle and support yourself financially. Finally, if I made some mistake in explaining, so please forgive me. I am also on way of learning, but I really tried my best. Hope you like that. And don't forget to subscribe our channel because so more fantastic videos are on the way of coming on this channel. Stay connected, stay working, press subscribe button and take notification on. We will meet soon in next video comments. What next topic you want? Thank you, bye.